Welcome to the subject Business Intelligence. Today's session is session number 21 and the topic is role of OLAP tools in BI architecture. So it means that what is the importance of online analysis, okay, analytical processing tools in the BI architecture. One. We'll begin. Point number one, the business intelligence BI architecture of a typical enterprise has a multitude of applications. So students, there are number of applications for the BI architecture for a particular enterprise. Most of these applications execute in silos. Silos means in isolation. Point number three. More often, these applications will have their own backend databases. So each application will have its own database which will support the application. So students, this is the figure. Okay, here in this figure you can find on the very top row there are 4 databases, and below that you can find there is one rectangle, below that there is one cylinder, and below that there is one cube. To begin with, so okay, these 4 databases are operational or transactional databases. So these 4 databases store the data from OLTP transaction, that is online transaction processing system. They gather the data from the various transactions that takes place, and all these data from these databases is extracted, transformed and loaded into the business data warehouse. Now this business data warehouse, you apply querying tools and reporting tools, okay, to get the required information, and all this information is stored in the OLAP cube, and from this OLAP cube, okay, the data is accessed by OLAP access tools. So this figure represents OLAP in BI, that is online analytical processing in BI. Okay, so we'll study more detail of this. So students, you can find these 4 different operational or transactional databases from where data is extracted, transformed and loaded into business data warehouse, and here querying tools and reporting tools are applied, and data is transformed to OLAP cube, and from this OLAP cube data is accessed because it is a multi-dimensional, okay, table. So that is why it is put in form of cube, and OLAP access tools access data. Okay, so this is about this figure. Now referring to this figure, okay, data is brought or extracted from these multifarious database systems scattered around the enterprise. So wherever there is, okay, data transaction taking place, from there data is brought into database, and then it is cleanicized, that is error detection and rectification takes place. Further it is transformed. What do you mean by transform? Transform means conversion of data from legacy or host format to the data warehouse format. So it is put in the proper format required for the data warehouse, and further loaded into common business data warehouse. So data from various, okay, operational or transactional databases is, okay, extracted, cleanicized, transformed and loaded into the business data warehouse. Point number 3, the OLAP system then extracts information from the data warehouse and stores it in the multi-dimensional hierarchical database using either a relational OLAP or multi-dimensional OLAP. Point number 4. Once the data is safely housed in the cube, users can use OLAP query and reporting tools, analysis tools, and or data mining tools. For example, data mining tools are trend analysis, unearthing hidden patterns, alerts, predictions, etc. So all these various tools can be applied. Now there are various reports generated by OLAP. We will study them. An OLAP system with its adequate tools can help to produce. There are different reports. For example, roll-up reports, drill down reports, okay, then drill through reports, and aggregation summaries and pivotable tables. We will study one by them. So what is roll-up reports? Roll-up reports means, for example, if you are viewing the quarterly sales of the data of your company, you may want to go one level up in the hierarchy and view the annual sales data. Students, roll-up report means if you are using a small data, you can, okay, try and know what is the big data. For example, that it is example given here. If you are viewing quarterly sales report, quarterly means what? Sales report for 3 months. Then, and if you want to know the sales for the 12 months, that is 1 year, you can do it, and that procedure is called as roll up reports. Second, drill down reports. Drill down reports means what? For example, if you are viewing quarterly sales data of your company, you may want to go one level down in the hierarchy and view the sales data for months in a particular quarter. Students, already you very well know quarter means 3 months, and here if you are viewing the data for quarter, that is 3 months, you can go down below and view the data for every month. That is what drill down reports means, coming from big data to small data. Next, drill through reports. Drill through reports means what? For example, sometimes it may be required to trace back the data in the operational relational database system. Drill through means going back to the origin of the data. That is, going back to the origin of the data is you are taken data from transactional processing system or operational relational database. Okay, so you can go back and trace the data available in operational relational database system. Also, you can come out with the aggregation summaries of the data, pivot tables, etc. So all these focused on the varied views, perspectives on the data. So students, today we have learned, okay, the various OLAP tools in the BI architecture. So I'll be sending this as a PDF. Okay, please write in the notebook and study well. If you got any doubts, you can give me a call. Thank you.